So you would think with 10 living Sikh masters over the course of 250 years, and the Siddhi Guru Granth Sahib, which is 1,430 pages long, filled with thousands of teaching songs, that there's a lot for us to learn. But in Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak gives the essential message that we're here to learn. It's just that it takes time, and we have to learn it over and over again in many different contexts. But the basic lesson is described in the 5th Pauri of Japji. And the lines are, Gur ik dehe pujai, sabna jiya ka ik datha, so main visar na jai. Okay, so what does that mean? Gura, the teacher. The guru is not a person, and it's not confined to a specific time or space or religion or creed. The guru is an aspect of the divine consciousness who just guides us and teaches us. And when Guru Nanak had his enlightenment experience, he experienced that guiding wisdom. And that teacher, that guru that he experienced, said, Ik, one, de, give, bujai, deeply understand. In other words, there's only one thing I've been given to understand. There's only one thing that we are asked to deeply understand in our lives. Sabana, all. Jia, life. Ka ik datha, again, one. Datha is giver, right? All life comes from one giver. Every life has come from the same consciousness, the same loving macro consciousness. So ma, and so is kind of a conjunction here. Ma is me, I. Visara najai. Visara means to forget. Najai means, there's an interesting construction in Gurmukhi where you create the opposite by, adding najai at the end of it. So may I never forget. This basically means may I never forget that one giver. And that's the lesson. All life comes from one giver. Don't let me ever forget that giver.